Is your Apple Pay balance refusing to verify, leaving you stuck at the checkout? Don't worry, we're going to break down how to fix this frustrating issue in under 90 seconds. First, let's check your internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi or cellular signal is the most common culprit. Open your iPhone settings and verify you are connected to a stable network. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, try toggling it off and on. You can also try switching to cellular data to see if that resolves the problem. Next, let's restart the wallet app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, or double-click the home button on older iPhones to reveal the app switcher. Then swipe up on the wallet app to close it. Reopen it to see if your balance now verifies. It's possible Apple's servers are experiencing issues. Head to Apple's system status page using a web browser. I've included a link in the description below, and check for any reported Apple Pay outages if there is one. All you can do is wait it out. Outdated software can cause all sorts of glitches, so ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update, and install any available updates. If none of those steps work, try removing and reading the problematic card to your Apple Pay wallet. This can often resolve underlying verification issues. Still having trouble? It might be time to contact your bank or Apple support directly. They can provide more specific assistance based on your account and device. Links to their contact information are in the description below. And that's it. Hopefully, these steps have helped you resolve your Apple Pay balance verification issue. Now you can get back to enjoying seamless and convenient payments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Apple Pay troubleshooting tips.